Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to tonight's daily cipher for Hamster Kombat. Alright, let's get started by clicking on this cipher tab A. Okay, so our Morse code for tonight is proof, which is PROOF. PROOF. So let's start with letter P, which is short, long, short. That is for P. Then the next letter is R, which is short, long, short for R, followed by O, which is long, and long. That's for O. Then we repeat the O again, long, and lastly F, which is short, long, short. All right, so that makes our Morse code for tonight. So if you are able to crack this, join me tomorrow for another section on Hamster Daily cipher. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.